Ooh, is it recording?
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and my hair is just right for what I'm about to do. Halloween is coming up, and this year I wanted to do something kind of big for Halloween, but not too big that I couldn't handle it. So I'm going to do a cemetery gate with an arch, and everything I'm using came from the dollar store, except for everything, even the lights. I had to think about that. So, the first thing I did, you know those stackable skulls they've got for $7 and the stackable pumpkins? I bought 2 stackable skulls, $14. And the very top of them, I drilled a hole in that will fit the broomstick handles that they sell. This was not easy. This plastic on top of these stackables is really durable. I suggest going to Home Depot and having one of the guys there cut the hole for you, okay? Just tell them you just need an inch hole cut and that'll be fine. They'll do it. All right. Now what we're gonna do, I got, as I said, the stackable skeletons. I bought some of their wonderful plastic chains. I got a gold skull. You'll see what that's gonna come in for. I got 2 pool noodles I had, some black ones. I think I had this left over from another project. But I think you can find them this time of year. And I've got some black zip ties. I got my trusty scissors. Oh, and some black duct tape. Uh-oh. And things falling down. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna tape these 2 ends together as best we can. And then this is gonna form our arch. I'm going to duct tape it together, and I'm going to show you how I hide the duct tape. Once we put this together, then we're going to put the other parts together outside. We don't do a lot of outside videos. This is going to be fun. Let me get the duct tape. We're going to take these 2 ends, stick them together, okay? I hope my lighting is good. But considering that it's a Halloween video, it might be just spooky. Okay. How difficult is this? Well, it ain't real easy. I want to use a more solid end here. These 2 ends, I'm going to place them together. Can you see what I'm doing? Just put the tape on the 2 ends, okay? And then I'm going to bring the tape around. Okay? So the 2 pool noodles have now become 1. I want to be able to find the duct tape. I want to put some more duct tape on here to make sure it's nice and tight and nice and secure. I have taped that together. So now when you bend it, look at that. It becomes an arch. How about that? And by it already being made out of this foam, it kind of looks like bumpy wrought iron, and the color it is too. So let's hide the duct tape and knock down a few more things. This is going into the comedy pack. Okay, I had to get you a better view. So we've got this wonderful pool noodle duct taped together. Now let's hide the duct tape. I cut out the back of the gold skull and I put in a hole here at the top. Then I put another hole at the bottom. Then I put in 2 black twist ties, of which I'm going to cut off the excess. So there's 2 rings just like this. We're going to put them on the pool noodle like that. See? And secure them behind with another twist tie. I'm hoping I'm doing this so you can see it correctly. See, I got the twist tie through one, then I'm going to put it through the other. And hopefully it's long enough to reach back together. All right. See what I did there? All right. I got to flip it the right way. Making sure this is in the right position. Ooh. Oh wait, I had this backwards. I had it right the first time. All right, finally. Get that zip tie on there as tight as you can. And then, there we have it. The gold skull is attached. We're gonna make an arch. Let's go outside and I'm gonna show you how we do it. I had these 2 flame torch lights out here, but they didn't work so well. One wouldn't light as long as the other one, and I don't know, it just didn't have the right look. So I'm gonna replace these with the arch, of course. But first, I'm gonna show you what I do with the stackable skulls. I put a light in back of each one. Okay, it's just a single light, like you do for those Christmas Santa Claus things, you know? Now we're going to put the pole through the stackable pumpkins. That's why we drilled the hole in the top. Yeah. And then once we do that, we're going to take the pole and place it securely in the ground. Yep. That shouldn't be too hard. At least I hope it shouldn't be too hard. And in fact, it was not. It went in pretty good. So I'm like, okay, secured. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. Success. Now, I've got 2 wonderful columns of skulls that light up. We're going to put the pool noodle on each one, and we're going to have an arch. And just like that, I thought I had success. So I thought. Let's see what happens next. It's looking good so far, and the chains go on without a hitch. Oh yeah. And as you see, the other side went on perfectly. I'm just straightening out the cord for the lights, getting it ready for the extension cord. And just like that, I thought I had succeeded. It was looking so good. So good. And then, well, nieces and nephews, the arch did not work, as you see. But I got another idea. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Maybe use it someplace else, but this is what I'm gonna do. These 2 lanterns will look nice, and I got them from the dollar store. Look at them. They're skeletons, and they light up. Check it out. Ta-da! They're going to be perfect for the entrance to the cemetery. And in the middle, of course, I'm going to have Mr. Skeleton that's laying on the ground. I'm going to zip tie him up, put a few more headstones, and then I'm going to give you the nighttime shot to see everything all finished how it turned out. Okay, got him on it, got him posed, and no, it was not easy. This is a 2-person job. Okay, I'm gonna put some more tombstones, and then we're gonna get a nighttime shot. And then we're gonna go on to the meat hall. Right, I got everything basically set up. I just gotta add the lights and the wiring to turn them on, and it'll be cool. Look at our man-eating plant. Got our tombstones, got our skeletons playing with the jack-o'-lantern. Then we've got our cemetery fence up. Part of it's broken down. Ooh. Then Mr. Skeleton's all posed and ready. Now, let me put some more specters on here, and we'll be good to go. And the lights, of course. Night shot, everybody. And guess who we've got over here? Mr. Dean on the scene.
Hello, everyone. Happy Halloween.
Look how it lights up. And remember everybody. Everything in here, except for the skeletons, came from the dollar store. So I'm going to go up to these. I made these. As you know, the stackables, I just put a light in them. That was really bright. I have to change that light and dim it down. But Mr. Skeleton's looking awful spooky. We've got our flame light behind him. Got Mr. Planty. We're going to light him up. I'm going to show you the whole effect before Halloween. You're going to love it. This is the beginning. Now, we're going to go on to the meat hall.